What you're about to see is a 9-minute clip on the J. Paul Getty Villa in the Pacific Palisades, California, right along the Coast Highway. It's a wonderful place. J. Paul Getty collected 44,000 antiquities, Greek, Roman, everything back into the early BCs. It's amazing, truly is indeed. But the pity is studying the man. The more I studied him, the more grieved I was. I loved his place, but I was grieved for his soul. He never considered the things of eternity. He only considered the things of this earth, his collection. He was a miser. He spent very little, if anything, on his own family that were in need. It's a pitiful story. Jesus warned the rich young ruler, because he knew his heart, to sell all that he had, give it to the poor, and follow him. He knew that his riches was keeping him out of heaven. And that's what we have to be careful for. We can't get so earthbound that we forget our eternal home is heaven. Let us fix our eyes on Jesus, the author and the finisher of our faith. That's what matters in our life.
us.